Big story this morning, the Arctic air and snow that we're getting. So we're going to check in with our meteorologists, Terry DeBoer and Matt Kirkwood right now for a look at what we're dealing with today and what's to come.
Well, weather quickly becoming the top story here, and we are looking at a winter weather advisory and the snow that has been falling all night long. Traffic moving along slowly. In fact, we've got even an issue now developing in downtown Grand Rapids. You can see this is US 131 north and southbound, where you see the lights appearing to be stopped, the headlights there. That's the southbound lane, so keep that in mind if you are traveling through into or out of downtown Grand Rapids, or wherever you're heading this morning. Expect really treacherous travel conditions. Temperatures outside are in the single figures to around 10 degrees, and you can see that we do have the widespread snow showers that we are tracking for you. Readings in the single digits to around 10 degrees in most areas from Grand Rapids to the north, a couple of degrees warmer to the south, and as we look at wind chills or feels like readings, single digits above to just below zero. So again, out at the bus stop today, we are looking at the winter weather gear, heavy coats, hats, gloves, boots, and snow pants. Winds will pick up this afternoon, so wind chills will be as cold as 10 to maybe even 15 below zero. Meteorologist Matt Kirkwood tracking the latest on the advisory situation and how much snow we're going to see. Matt.
Yeah, and yet another round of Arctic air moving in as we speak, and that's going to place the lake effect snow, which is going to continue to be ongoing and developing west and southwest of Grand Rapids. Everybody picked up on the snow last night, but it's going to migrate closer to the lakeshore over the coming hours, and it's going to set up in that basically north-northwest to southeast band right along the lakeshore. That's where we had the advisory until 7 o'clock in the evening tomorrow evening, so this is kind of a long duration winter weather advisory. Also, the wind's going to pick up this afternoon, blowing that light fluffy snow around. Now, additional snowfall, this is through midnight, traced to an inch in most inland areas once you get to well east of US 131, although 1 to 3 inches possible in the Grand Rapids area right down to Battle Creek. But again, the sweet spot, as you might expect, with that northwest to southeast oriented flow of lake effect, about 3 to 6 inches from Kalamazoo, the Portage area, we'll say Dowagiac, Marcellus area, right towards Benton Harbor, South Haven, Gobles. And you can follow that right up along the lakeshore. That's where the heaviest snow is going to fall. And again, anywhere from half a foot to 3 inches likely in those areas. We'll see a little bit more tomorrow as well, and more in the 8-day forecast and a potential of a storm this weekend. Terry's going to have more on that in about 5 minutes.